Take your hand. Let me take your hand. That's the girl. You walk down this big step. Get down here and I'll help you. Hold on to your quad. Okay. There you go. Hold on to your quad. There you go. Hold on to your quad. Okay. There we go. There you go. Go down here and see the bird. That's a big spoon. What? That spoon's a little big. I should go to a smaller one. You can use your fingers and go like this. Like this, see, Sophia?
You feeding the birds?
Feed birds. Yay! Yeah!
Nice.
Here's that little yellow bird around. So that may be the cardinal.
Oh, good scoop. She got it with the
Did she
spoon.
put it in?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sophia,
yeah.
what are you doing? Who are you feeding?
Tell Mommy who you're feeding.
Who's that food for? She's busy.
Wow, that's a big one.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Squirrels eat it. The birdies eat it. Here, I'll help you. There you go. You got a big one there. That's a way. So it's all spread around so they can get it. There's a cardinal right above us somewhere because I can hear him chirping.
What's wrong? Did you get dirt in your shoe? She got dirt in her shoe.
You got dirt in your shoe.
She wants you to take her shoe off and take it.
Oh, want me to
Do you have dirt on your foot? You want Nanny to take your shoe off?
take your shoe off? Is there some grass in there or something?
Bird food at the
Oh,
bottom.
Bird food? You've got dirty legs. You've got dirty legs from being out the back. From being out the back. You've got dirty legs there. That's okay. We can wash them. Yeah. Oh, get your foot in there. You got big feet. Big feet.
Who's got big feet?
No, Sophie got little feet. You don't like being dirty, do you? No way.
No, when there's dirt in her shoe, she
It
likes
bothers her.
her cleaned her right away. Where's the doggy? Where is she? Where did she go? She's hiding.
Where did she go? She's hiding. Oh, all the sparrows are coming back for the food.
Oh, the birds want the food. Should we go up the hill and watch them eat all the food that you put out?
Where's Sophia? Lily, where's Sophia go? Where's Sophia? Where's the baby? Where is she? There she is. Go see the baby. Go see the baby.
She's walking around with this thing.
Ready to clunk something.
Do you have dirt in your other shoe?
Come here.
You want Nanny to fix it?
It must be the bird seed getting in your shoes, eh? Is the bird seed getting in your shoes?
Sit on Nanny's lap.
Come on, become Nanny. Oops. Oh, Nanny's lap. Here we go. Are you getting them in this one now? Yeah? Dirt? Let's see. Here, the birdies are coming. Ooh, you got your foot dirty, did it? Is Any more in there? See? Nope. All gone?
All gone.
All gone. Let's get your toes in. Oh, she's looking for the rabbit. Dog-
Do you think the dog's gonna find the rabbit in the bush?
Doggy's looking for the Whoops, I don't want to hurt your foot. Where is this thing?
I want to see the rabbit. Sophia,
So
do you
do
want
I.
to see the rabbit?
It's funny they're not.
Oh, I see a hummingbird. I see a hummingbird.
Do you know?
Yeah, right there on the purple flower.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Where's? Oh my God.
Do you see it?
My God, that's so weird. You know what? You are privileged to see that thing. Dad hasn't seen it.
I'll take a video of it. Oh, he's gone.
My God. That was wonderful. I can't believe it. Honest to God, Dad's never seen it this year. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
I mean, it's from a distance. But...
It's the black one, too. It's the same one. Well, I mean, it's the black one. It's the, sometimes they're colored, eh?
More. Oh,
Whoa.
Sophia. Are the birds really hungry?
They're going to eat supper.
Are you feeding them supper?
Can Nanny help? Can Nanny help you? Oh, there you go. You got some. I can't
Nice.
see it's right there.
Mommy,
What do you want?
Nanny.
Nanny, help?
Nanny help you? Okay. Let's see. I should have gave you more, but I was afraid she might fall with it and then we'd lose a bunch. So I just gave her a little bit at a time. Yeah. There you go.
Spread it out for the birds. Can you spread it out?
Spread it.
There you go.
That's the way. Spread it out.
There you go. Good
That's a
job.
Good job. Yeah. She has patience, this one does. Doesn't she? She has patience. When
She likes to do important jobs too.
Yeah.
Nanny, Nanny,
Nanny.
you.
Nanny, help?
Nanny help? Sure, Nanny will help you. We're running low on the bird food here. Yeah.
Are the birds hungry, Sophia? Are they hungry for all the food you're giving them? Call. You better call them. Birds. Birds, come eat.
We better wash it around, sweep it around so they can get it. There you go. You're going to put it back in? That's a good idea. We'll just put some back in. They don't eat that much today, do they? What? Are you running around?